guys, today I will show you how I clean a microwave. So, we need a cup of vinegar, a cup of water, a bowl, and a sponge. So, let's start. First thing you need to do is to mix the vinegar and the water. After that, we're going to put the bowl in the microwave. And steam it for 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
After that, leave it there for 15 minutes.
Later.
15 minutes is done, so let us remove the bowl. After that, let us dip this sponge onto the bowl. Then use it to wipe the microwave. So guys, I use this cloth for finishing. Done cleaning the microwave, now it smells good and clean. Bye bye guys!